Ready to elevate your game? In today's fast-paced world, standing out is crucial. Whether it's for your business or personal brand, making a powerful impression matters more than ever. We understand the challenges you face in achieving your goals. That's why we're dedicated to providing solutions that truly make a difference. Expect nothing less than exceptional quality, unwavering professionalism, and demonstrable results that exceed your expectations every single time. We believe in empowering you to succeed, simplifying complex processes, and delivering peace of mind. Our approach is tailored, transparent, and focused entirely on your success. Imagine achieving your ambitions with a trusted partner by your side, guiding you through every step. Curious to learn more? Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now to discover how we can help you achieve your vision.